Myself Swati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am going to continue my video lecture series based upon computer networks. My topic is an internetworking. It is an internetworking means it is a collection of individual network connected by the intermediate networking devices that function as a single large network. It refers the industry's product and procedures that meet the challenges of creating an administrative internetwork. Simply, internetworking is an individual network connecting by intermediate networking devices. We are having n number of networks around the all over the world. The single part will be connected, that is an internetworking. That is a single large network will be connected as a one, that is an internetworking. If you are having diagram here, if you are having n number of devices will be connected with one W1. That's it. That is an internetworking. Challenges is connectivity, reliability, network management and flexibility. Connectivity means it is an if you are having any because we are having n number of systems will be connected in one part. That is an if you are having any connectivity problem, it will be arise an issues. It's unreliability means it everywhere anytime we having a network LAN with usage, we easily connected. It will be managed very clearly. It is a flexible time to connect and disconnect from the network. Internet protocol means it is an IP. It is a set of rules for routing and addressing packets of data. It can be travel across a network and arrive at the current destination. Data traversing the internet in divided into smaller pieces called packet. IP information is attached to each packet, and this information helps router to send packet to the right place. And then every devices or domain that connects to the internet is assigned as IP address, and as packet are directed to the IP address attached to the datagram where it is needed. And then working is IP address is an unique identifier assigned to the device or domain that connect to the internet. Each IP address is a series of characters such as 192.168.1.1 via DNC resolver, which will be translated with the human readable domain names into IP address. Users are able to access website without memorizing this complex series of characters. If you are having an IP address means it will be having an DNC resolver to translate the human readable domain name, because we are having we need to know about the IP address. We need to connect one devices means we need to know the IP address. So the complex series of characters will be memorizing for the user is very difficult. So they are using as an human readable domain name by using DNC resolver. Each IP packets will contain both the IP address of devices and domain sending the packet and the IP address of an intended receptionist. It is a diagram sending a packets through an area by using an internet will be reach the destination. If we are having an 192 like 192.16.00.12 it will be translating by the human readable by the DNC through the internet. So it will be received by the end side. It is a 192.00.00.75. It will be easy to memorize by the user. Classless interdomain routing, CIDR, which stands for classless. It also IP addressing schema. It will include the allocation of IP address. It will be allocated the IP address for each systems. It replaces the old system based on the classes ABC. And this scheme also help greatly extend the life of IPv4. We will slow the growth of routing table. How its work means it is based upon the variable length subnetting masking. It allows the prefix or arbitrary length, make it much more efficient than the old system. CIDR IP addresses are composed to two set of numbers. The network address is returned as a prefix and the normal IP address. The second part of suffix is which indicates the bits in the entire address. Address resolution protocol means it is an IPv4 addresses, 32-bit logical, and then corresponding physical address is 48-bit MAC address. And the network application and application layer uses IPv4 addresses to communicate with another devices. Then reverse address resolution, RARP, means it is a networking protocol used for client system in local area network to request its IPv4 address from ARP gateway router table. A table is created by a networking administration in gateway router that it is used to find out the MAC address to corresponding IP address. It is working on is employee to send data between 2 points in a very network. The client broadcast of RAP request with an Ethernet broadcast address, which its own physical address. The server respond by the informing the client its IP address. That's all. Thank you.